Okay guys, you got another unboxing here from Evike.com. $400 I believe. This package weighs around 20 pounds. Now, there's some gun packaging. They have really awesome other stuff that we got through here. Huge envelope, probably with some miscellaneous packages. Let's see. We got a sheet of what is ordered. 2700.25 gram BB, Elite Force. Awesome BBs, by the way. Recommend them. It's Condor admin pouch in tan for my MOPC, which I just got last week. Great vest. I just have to get some parts for it, like Condor Kangaroo triple AK pouch for your pistol magazines and AKs. This is going to be the first one. I have not seen any reviews on YouTube yet of these. I'll see if I can do a review as long and after I go to CQB City to see how good they work. These sound like BBs. These are probably Wii 4000 daily deals they had. Matrix speed loader. Another mid cap for my AK CYMA. KWA mid cap. It should sounds like hard plastic. Looks pretty good. If you guys haven't known, if it's a KWA mag, there's more stuff coming through. We got the Holy Cow special, and my friend got mid caps for his G36, so he's risked it, and metal high caps, 2 metal high caps. Gun bag that we got for the gun, which is coming up next. Oh, get this mag out of the way. And now, KWA CQB Mod 2. KWA warranty. Oh. Here is, I don't know if you guys can see that, picture of the gun. Nothing else in the box. Paper on hop-up adjustment, BB loading, and all what you need, and jamming rod, all that. Operator's manual for the gun. This weapon is LiPo ready, just to make sure. The max recommended is a 11.1 1600 milliamp 15C or 20A LiPo battery. Registration card for your gun, send these in. And jamming rod for your gun. Tools for adjustments. Mid cap. KWA no longer gives high cap magazines. Now they all give mid caps. No wind up. Barrel protection for those accidental discharge. And now, the weapon. Polymer lower, full metal upper. I'll be doing a separate review since this is not my gun. This is a friend of mine's. I will see if he will let me take this to CQB City. If he does, I will do a review on this gun after I come back. I'll just give a quick overview of the weapon. Let's see. Functioning charging handle. Non-functioning forward assist. Here's the mid cap. And a little bit of wobble. Not a lot. Let's see. 5-position retractable stock. Plastic handguard. There's a piece of styrofoam stuck. That doesn't matter. Safe, semi, and full auto. Let's see what else on the gun. Well, it has those 1-point sling attachments in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. There you go. Let's see. You can take off the rear sight. It's one of those CQBR ones, so you can just take it off. Let's see. 2 acupunctures for long range and short range. The sight's metal. The barrel's metal. The orange tip is metal. You can probably spray paint that over, take it off, doesn't matter. A place for the bayonet. Also, if you guys don't know, you can buy a bayonet for these guns. Most M4s. The only thing plastic is the lower, the handguard, the pistol grip, and the stock. And it seems a very hard plastic. So, yeah, it's one of those. It's not the very. It's one of those entry level ones, but they're not even entry level. These are the budget affordable ones. They seem pretty good for $189.95 from Evike.com. Seem pretty reasonable. Adjustable hop up. So yeah, I'll be doing a separate review on this gun. I will also see how good the kangaroo triple pouch is for the AK on the MOPC. Also, I'll be doing the loadout video pretty soon once I get more stuff for it. This has been ATZ Airsoft with the Evike unboxing of $400. That does not include the Evike 20% off. With the 20% off, it was around $350 around there. It took around 5 days for the package to get here, but 5 days that could be waited. You know, didn't expect nothing less from Evike. They're not bad. They're not good. They're pretty good. If you guys want to order online, I would recommend from them. Yeah, that's been it. These bags are just full of BBs. I can see inside. And you know, I'm actually gonna open this one right now because it really doesn't weigh anything. So let's see what we got here. Pig knife for the win. Okay. So, oh yeah, forgot all about this. A lip for a wheat high kappa mag. A Intellect 9.6 battery. Pretty long wiring. But that should do it. This is for the KWA, which goes in the handguard. Oh, and since there's going to be more than 3 now, and I barely see any, I'm not saying that this is true, but where we go, since me and my friends are Mexican, we decided to get 3 Mexican flag patches That is one reason I got the admin pouch. And also got a medic pouch made from Condor and an Evike patch. The patches seem pretty decent. I believe these were around $4 a piece. This one was 50 cents. And this one was $4, which I don't really care. Seemed pretty cheap. So, by all means, I want to go get them. But finally, we can represent Mexican flag in airsoft. I seen a Spaniard flag, and I seen it at CQB, but I have never seen a Mexican flag. I seen an N7 patch, which I have, and I'll be putting that on my Condor Ammo PC. So this has been A to Z Airsoft with the Evike unboxing. See you guys later.